All right. Stinger Horizon is installed, and the fitment is awesome. Just got this installed yesterday from Rolling Audio in Roseville. They do amazing work. So this is installed. This is just like the high 10. So it's just an upgrade. One of the biggest things is now I'm not connected to wired. You used to have to be able to connect your wire and connect to Apple CarPlay. That's no longer the case. So this is all wirelessly now. So it's really, really nice. Um, Apple CarPlay, everything just like normal. And let's see, I literally just got this, so I'm going through the settings and everything. But one of the biggest things I love about this stereo is that this contains all of your Jeep stuff. So you still have your cameras. You can connect the front, the rear, everything. Climate, it's all still here. I have my seat warmers, my steering wheel warmer, all that stuff. So everything is here and it all works flawlessly with all your knobs and everything. So nothing is taken away, which is huge. Vehicle info. This one's huge. This is off road, basically. So you have your gauges. It tells you, what you're in, your PSI. Even shows you where your tires are turned, which is really cool. You have all your gauges. That's all of them. Yeah. Performance. That's where we were before. So it shows you all your RPMs, your miles per hour, all that good stuff. You still have your off-road, so you have your pitch and your roll and everything, which is great. Tells your altitude, so everything is still integrated into here from your old deck. So you don't lose any of the functions, which is huge to me. You have your drivetrain, it tells you everything. So this is a 392, so it knows that this is four-wheel drive auto. I have upgraded axles, so everything's locked, so it doesn't matter. And then user settings. So that's all of your vehicle settings. I'm sorry, vehicle info. And then you have vehicle settings, and you have your language, you have units, camera, mirrors, lights. You have all of that good stuff. You can alert yourself if you have low tire. HD radio, Sirius XM, which I have. I need to connect that. Android, who wants that? You have your phone, Apple CarPlay, and everything is still in here. So that's all great. Bluetooth music, USB, navigation. I haven't hooked that up yet. Swipe over, and then you have a lot more options into this. So again, I'm just diving into this, but you have all of your audio settings, so you can change all of this stuff, right? And then you have Enlight 10 RGB. I need to find out what that is, but something to do with RGB lights. I'm not sure if it's in this or if it's outside. You can install it. Then you have your general settings on everything else. Beep, clock, microphone, gain, whole bunch of stuff. Display, cameras, users, devices. And then this is installer, so you can go in there and you can make changes for all that other good stuff. Let's see, HDMI, old one had that, AVN had that. These ones I have not messed with, so I don't think I have these in, but this is kind of cool because now it has DSP and all this other good stuff. So these are things that you can install later on. I don't have these, but these ones I don't have as well, but I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like. So for the DSP, this is crazy. I wouldn't even know how to do this. I'd have to take it to Rolling Audio to have them do it. But there's no DSPs connected, so I'm going to have to get an amp later on once we get the speakers and all the stuff. So this was just the first start to get everything installed. So you have a DSP that you can do all of the stuff with, which is crazy. And then you have DM control. Honestly, I don't know what this is, but it's another app that you can put in through audio control, and it's not connected because I don't have one. So anyways, these are all the options that you can do. So this brings you back to the menu, and then star. I'm not sure. Okay. So that brings you back to your favorite. You can program that. Obviously, go back, forward, your volume knob. So your volume still works here and still works there. So everything still works the same. My radio, my controller, this is my for air, everything still works the same. So it's all integrated, which is the biggest thing for me. This is Siri, so you can push that if you want to. And then this is navigation, I think. Oh, it's CarPlay. So anyways, this head unit is amazing. I just need to learn more about it. And then this mutes. So you can also, if you want to, you can go here, display off, and then that way you don't get disturbed if you want to. So love the unit. The unit is awesome. One of the biggest things is that it's wireless Apple CarPlay, which I love. So everything is clickable. I will have more once I get all of this installed. I'm going to do a walkthrough on this, but Rolling Audio installed this. It's flawless. I love it. It has my front cam, has my rear cam, has everything that I need. So, but for me, CarPlay is where it's at. This is huge for me. The display is awesome. It looks a little brighter, looks a little bit cleaner than the last one. And yeah, it's flawless. Stinger. Oh, that just brings you back. Okay. So yeah, so I think that's about it for now. I will go ahead and make another one once I get all of this stuff installed, and show you guys more, and especially about the DSP and all that stuff. So that's one of my biggest things that I want. And yeah, check it out, Stinger Horizon. They're awesome. And like I said, I'll make another video once I have more installed.